Adding more RAM is the most cost-effective way to improve the performance of your computer. I already updated from 8 GB to a 32 GB Lexar. Now this time I'm gonna add additional 32 GB more RAM. You can see how easy it can be done. Only takes like 2 minutes if you are slow. And let's do this. First of all, let me power off the PC and disconnect the power. I have removed the glass panel and opened up the machine, and this is what the memory stick looks like from this 16 GB DDR4 3200. The orientation is important. Make sure these two notches match the one in that motherboard slot, and simply plug it in like so. It kind of automatically locks in place by itself. Okay, they fit perfectly, nice and tight. And now let's power it on. Okay, great, the computer is on. I did that in one shot actually. Yeah, under 2 minutes, like I said. And now let's verify I'm really using 64. If we move over here, I'll zoom in, and it shows installed RAM 64 GB. So the PC I'm using is from CyberpowerPC. I'm gonna close this side up just in case. No tools required. I just put in these screws like so. Now it's done. I like the glass finish of this PC. Looks pretty awesome. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you